If you're looking for a more aesthetic office chair, this one here is it. It doesn't even have to be for your office. I think this would be really cute in the corner of a bedroom, but of course, office chair definitely is what comes to mind, especially with those wheels. I love a good chair with wheels. This one here has kind of like a velvety feel right here. This one is the beige. It is the beige and gold. You'll see on the bottom, the base there, that is gold. You can also get the beige and silver, and then it also comes in like a black and a gray. This cushion here, you've got some really nice comfort, but this will also come off. You just kind of have that little Velcro piece right here, so it makes it really nice and easy for cleaning. Even though it is a little bit on the smaller side, this can still hold a capacity of 300 pounds. And really, you know, as you can see, twirls all the way around 360 degrees. And then of course has really nice wheels. This as well is adjustable. You've got there, let's bring this up. So as you can see, that is quite a height difference. So this is the highest, and then we can bring it down too, obviously just depending on your height and the desk as well. But yeah, I really like the look of it. It just kind of is an easy way to make, you know, a space look a little bit fancier.